everybody. It's a frosty morning here in southern Missouri, about 34 degrees maybe, but we've got concrete coming in a few hours, so we have to get this pavilion pad prepped and ready for delivery. So we've got to get some plastic down and some wire, and then I think we'll be all set. But first we got to get rid of those leaves that have fallen all over the place.
Okay guys, we're ready for concrete. What we're going to do is eventually put a swing up here, and this here will be a movable concrete pad that I can place in here under the swing. So we're ready to go.
What you girls up to? Is it time to eat? Hmm?
Good girl.
Luna, hi, pretty girl. They're loving the fall leaves for sure. Well, as you can see, we got our pad poured, and we both survived. It wasn't easy on these old bodies, but Jim did a really good job, and I'm very excited to get started on getting the roof on this pavilion. So hopefully maybe we can get some of that done this winter. If not, it'll be next spring for sure. Also, I want to give you a little update on our goats. Maya and Roxy have not come back into heat, and we did witness their breeding, so we're sure that they are both pregnant. And we have witnessed Lily and Charo, so I think they're probably good to go as well. And so our next two to be bred will be our little girls, and that'll be around Christmas. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody. And be sure and hit that like button and subscribe, ring that bell, and as always, we will catch you later.